Hello guys, welcome to this new series. So here we are going to start C programming. So today we are going to do our first hello world program in C, and further we'll continue with the other programs like taking input from users and other things. So let's get started. So open your editor first. I am using an editor called Turbo C++. You can use whichever is comfortable for you, and start Turbo C++. Then once your editor is open a new file, new, and then first save your file. Save it with the extension like .c. So let's save our file as hello.c. Okay, so first let's include your hash include stdio.h. This we are including for the standard input to run in our program. This hash include stdio.h supports the printf and scanf statements, which we'll use in the further series. I'll show you. So let's declare our main function here, void main. So this is the main function. The total code of our program, the whole code will be inside this main function. So let's do our first hello world program. Write printf, and inside that within double quotes type hello world. Yes guys, so now go to the next line and write get ch, so that the compiler, after executing, and the output screen will be waiting until we give an input from the keyboard. To retain the output screen for some time, we are giving this get ch. So let us compile our program. Compile, and yes guys, 0 errors. Then let us run the program. Run, and yes guys, you got your hello world as your output. So now if you run it once again, like I'll show you, run, there hello world has been printed twice. So to overcome this, just add get ch for clear screen function above your program, clr scr semicolon. So compile once more to check if any errors. No, there aren't. So run the program. Yes guys, so all your previous output is clear and your current output will be visible now, hello world. So that's it in this video guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, share the video, and if you want to learn more in C programming, continue with the next videos. Thank you for watching.